you're actually enjoying this lesson, you're getting value in this lesson. So please do make sure to just join our community. If you're new, just hit the subscribe button, just like the video, and also share with friends. Otherwise, if you've got any questions, guys, please do feel free to just post your questions. It could be suggestions, comments, or whatever it is. You can just post on the comment section. So guys, let's quickly solve this question. Now we move to question 8.3, and the question reads as follows: a point charge of magnitude 3 by 10 to the exponent negative 9 coulombs. It's now placed at point P. The question says calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force experienced by this charge. So this question is allocated 3 marks. Remember guys, this question paper, it's for grade 12 and it's posted on my Telegram channel. You can just quickly join the channel and access this question paper. That's when you'll be able to clearly see these questions. So this is one of those easy questions where we won't have to stress that much. We won't have to waste a lot of time. You know guys, I've shown you the formula sheet with all the question papers that you need. There's a question paper, there's a formula which says force is equals to charge multiplied by electric field. So this is the formula that we're going to use to calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force experienced by this charge. So remember guys, they said a point charge of magnitude 3 is now placed at point P. So it's 3 by 10 to the exponent negative 9 coulombs. Okay, so now guys, it's just a matter of substituting. This is not a difficult question. You just substitute and calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force experienced by this charge. A charge of this magnitude 3 by 10 to the exponent negative 9. You obviously calculated this from the previous question. The answer, I think it was 2.84. I remember I counted up to 5. Okay, so guys, you just easily punch this on a calculator. Let's see. Open bracket 3 by 10 to the exponent negative 9. You close, you open 2.84 times 10 to the exponent 5. And then you get this as your answer. I'm not sure if you're getting the same decimal. It's 0.0000852. Okay, so remember, this is the force, so it's calculated in newtons. So now I'm glad, even on this question, I'm going to show you how to write that number in scientific notation. You just do exactly the same thing, guys. The only difference in this case is that you are counting in that direction, whereas on the previous question we counted in that direction. So that means when you count in that direction, your exponent is times 10 to a positive number, but in that direction is times 10 to the exponent negative number. So let's see. This is the number that you write as negative. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up to 6. But in this case, guys, you stop at that point. You just stop after the first number. Okay, this is where you stop. Just like when we stopped when we're counting from from right to left, we stopped at the second last number. So guys, that means the answer to this question in scientific notation, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's going to be 8.52 by 10 to the exponent. Can you see? This is where you now write it as negative. How many times did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it's negative 4 because it's a force, then it's in newtons. Guys, I'm not sure if I made it complicated, but please do let me know if I didn't make it easy so that I can somehow do a special lesson teaching you on how to write a number in scientific notation. Okay, so guys, now this is where you score your marks. We've just noticed that in physics, they just give you a mark for copying the formula, guys. That's one thing for sure. They give you a mark for correct substitution into the correct formula. And the final answer is also given a mark. Okay? So guys, that's how you solve this question. But before I close today's live lesson, let me just indicate to you guys, if you've got 8, 9, 1, 0, 2, 7, let's say you calculated your answer and this was your final answer. It could be Newton per coulomb, it could be what else? It could be, let's say, a force, just like that. It could be a charge in coulombs. It doesn't matter what what is it? What do I want to say, guys? I mean the unit. I'm just thinking of this number. I wanted to say it doesn't matter whatever the unit is that you'll be calculating. I just want to show you how to write this in scientific notation. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where you stop, right? Then it's going to be 8.9 This is how you round it to 2 decimal places, obviously. Then it's by 10 to the exponent 5. So that's why I was saying when you are counting from right to left, it's by 10 to the exponent positive number, which is positive 5. Okay, so if you had, let's say, 0.000000127 okay, so this is how you then do this one. You just count up until the first number. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is where you stop. Then it's going to be 1, 2. Obviously it's 7. You can't round it to be 8. Then it's 7. Then it's times 10 to the exponent negative number, because you're counting from left to right. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it becomes negative 6. Then the unit, whatever unit it is, then you give it that particular unit. It obviously will be dependent on the question that you'll be solving. So guys, I assume you enjoyed today's lesson. So as for me, I can't wait for tomorrow's live lesson. Remember guys, I'll be doing these live lessons until you're done with your final exams. As soon as you're done with all your exams, then I won't be doing live lessons, but I'll just be posting some videos in preparation for grade 10s and grade 11s, so that we start afresh with some new videos, a different approach. I think it's going to be interesting. And again, I'm planning to have an online winter classes. In case if you think it's a good idea, you can just indicate in the comment section. And again, make sure to drop me WhatsApp text so that you've got all the information in relation to our future plans. So guys, thanks very much for joining. My name is Desmond and I'm out.